Well, welcome back to the channel, everyone, and today we've got another cross chest bag for you, and this one's leather. So let's take a closer look. Okay, so here we have the men's leather crossbody chest bag. I decided to get a leather one so it could last longer, still staying really cheap, but buying authentic leather and seeing how it is. So this one here, they stated it's real leather. It is from China. The width of this one is 19 centimeters. The depth is 12 centimeters and the height is 39 centimeters. Now the reason why I wanted to buy this one, a leather bag, is because it's better quality and I want it to last a lot longer. And you get these nice leather zip tags and the zips feel a bit more steady and a bit more heavy duty. And you get a metal clip up here. So let's go through it and have a look at it. Now you do get the right and left position for the strap. So if you put it over your right shoulder or your left shoulder, so you could choose. You do have this padded back area as well. All right, let's go through it. So you have a pocket at the front. And it's not too bad. It's not, you put your keys in here and a few things that you would use more often. Easy and accessible. Here you'd probably put maybe some change or some money in here, in this zip. Now you do have a clip here that's made out of metal. Doesn't specify what kind of metal. And you have your large pocket here. And inside your large pocket you have an extra pocket here. And that's about, you can have a little pocket inside as well. You can hang your keys off here or something that's easy to access. Now if you open it right up, it does go quite deep inside, and you have another pocket here, I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, so it's all lined inside, it's polyester lined inside, and on the outside they say it's leather. And they got a picture here of a bull. Yeah, and that's basically it really. I've been using it for about a week. It's been really good. It's held up pretty strong. The straps are nice and strong as well. Like it's got the bull here, logo. Everything seems to be pretty good. So it should last you quite a while. And that's basically it, really. So let's go back up top and end the video. Well, I hope you enjoyed the review on this men's leather crossbody chest bag. Links will be in the description, and I'll catch you on the next one real soon.